Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to generate an image using Unitool AI. Here you can go and search for Unitool AI. Using this tool you can easily create images using different platforms. On the left side here you can see ChatGPT, Cloudy, XAI and Midjourney. Click here. Now you need to create a free account. Simply you can go and click here join button, then continue with Google, then click here, scroll down and click here continue button. After creating accounts you can go back here and here you can see we have 10 free credits. Now here you can type anything, for example create image, how to build an online store, and here you can select aspect ratio, style, quality. After that click here. Now here you can see it has started working on it. Within couple of seconds you will get images in different designs, so you can select one of the image and that you can easily use. Here you can see these are the full HD images. You can click here, let me select this one, and after that you can click here download button. Now here you can see image is saved in our laptop. Now we can open it and use it anywhere.